In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on Clash Royale. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now there's two different methods I'll be showing you. So the first one is obviously just on your phone settings, scroll down and then make sure your volume is actually turned up. As you can see right now mine's muted, so just turn the slider up. This works on any phone. Just make sure wherever your slider is, make sure your volume is actually up and working, because that might be why you're not hearing anything, because sometimes that might happen. Now, go to Clash Royale. If it's still not working, you still have no sound, what you want to do is press those three little lines on the top right. Once you click that, you're going to see a lot of options, but towards the bottom, you're going to see the settings button. So go ahead and click on that. Then on the left of the screen, the very first option is going to be audio. So that's what you can click on. As you can see, music and SFX is off. So what you want to do is you want to click the off buttons, and then they're going to be switched on. I'm going to literally just turn down the music just so you know it's not blasting in your ears. But what you want to do is just make sure the slider is turned to the right. The more it's turned to the right, the higher the volume is going to be. So you want to make sure music and SFX is on, and then obviously you want to make sure the sliders are towards the right, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Another thing you can also do is swipe down. Make sure you're not connected to a Bluetooth device. So when I go ahead and click on that, if you're connected to an external speaker or AirPods Pro and you're not playing with your AirPods right now or anything, that might be why, you know, you're not actually hearing anything on, you know, Clash Royale. And it's as simple as that. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.